Once you have created a purchase order, if you need to delete it, Builder's Excellence provides a button that ensures all the values are recalculated to support your reports and job budgets. Click on the purchase order record and go to the Internal tab. Here you will see a button called Delete Purchase Order. Click on this button to proceed. The records that need to be recalculated or deleted are displayed. Click on Confirm to proceed. The purchase order values in the following records will be recalculated and updated. Stock calculations for products and warehouses. BOQ items. Contract items. Please note that deleting a purchase order after you have received materials will not recalculate stock values. The PO receive records will be deleted with the purchase order, but you will need to use the stock management widget to make a stock adjustment. If you delete a purchase order before the materials are received, the stock calculations will be updated to reverse the stock to be received value. Watch the stock calculations video for more information.